What's poppin', OG Gangs? Your boy, your Wavy Six Pack, at you with another episode. Shout out to my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. You know the vibes already, man. You can leave a comment below. The feedback, if I'm doing good, if I'm doing bad, it don't matter. You know what I'm saying? I'm still making it possible. Feel me? Just want to show you guys real quick. You know what I'm saying? If you're a fan of Dragon Ball Z, this is the door for the Dragon Ball Z right here. Let's get back out to work. I'm doing a wolf session. I'm in the journey trying to break a fort. I'm trying to create a new my swirl. So since my hand's getting grown up, you know what I'm saying, it's puffing up. So I'm using 360 style. I've been with this for a couple of months already. This is the pomade. After that, I'm gonna apply this, a little bit of jewels on, you know what I'm saying, on you. Give it a shine, and the pomade to lay down because I'm wolfing. So I'm gonna do a weight check real quick. Show you guys the do-rag. You already know who that, right? Already know who that, right? When they come together, feel me? You could cop this in Amazon. I got it. It's flexible, silky, really flexible. Alright. Like I said, I was shifting from 540 to a 360 swirl. So bear with me. I'm still in the process. I'm still there, you know. The brush, I did a couple of changes on the brushing. See what I'm doing right now, more downward, right here, and then straight forward. So right here. So this right here is breaking little by little. It's breaking, so I'm just gonna keep brushing. Still there, you know, still working on it. So what I'm gonna do right now, to be honest, just gonna apply 360 style. You could use this finger, and you could use a dime. You don't use too much, because if you use too much, you're gonna clock your pores. And on top of that, it's gonna get, like, how can I say it? It's gonna come through your do-rag. You know what I'm saying? If you overdo it, it's gonna come through your do-rag. And then if you're under the sun for too long, you know what I'm saying, your forehead's gonna be leaking. Then your forehead's gonna break down. You're gonna get pimples like that. So just make sure you don't apply too much. You're gonna let the brush do the work for you. You know what I'm saying? You're just gonna do it on your angles, of course, but you're gonna let the brush distribute all around you 360. So you see, look, this is all I'm using. I'm not using a lot. After that, you know what I'm saying, on top of that, you're gonna put the oil. So, what you do, you hear it? Apply gently, you know what I'm saying, don't be too rough with it. This is when you wolf it, you know what I'm saying, because you want your hair to stay the way you want to brush. When it comes to put pomades or oils on my crown, I leave it for last because I like to see what I'm doing next to my crown because I don't want to mess it up. That's the reason why you guys saw that I apply the pomade when I exactly on my crown like that. You know, when I'm around. Everybody got their own ways, you know. I got mine. Alright, you see everything is done. What you're gonna do now, clean your hands, you know. Clean your hands because you don't want this product to be on your brush, feel me? I'm changing my brushes for now. I started with this brush. My barber gave me this. This is Diane 1702. Diane 1702. If you want to copy, you can copy it on Amazon. I'll do a section. This is soft. You could say medium, medium soft. So do a small section. You know what I'm saying? I always start in my weak side, which is right now. This is my weak side. So I got the main fork right here, but now it's coming. You know what I'm saying? It's coming out. It's the reason why I'm woofing. Because I want to get enough hair so I can play with it. That's the main key when you're woofing. You know, you get enough hair, you could train it, and then when you cut it, the new hair that you have, it's already trained. And you just gotta keep training. Right here, this is what I changed right here. I used to brush like this, you see? Now I change it like this. I used to brush like this, now it's like this. Sometimes you gotta you gotta improvise, you know, but you don't do it from one day to another. No, you change it like every 2-3 weeks. You gotta train your hair first. If you see it don't work, change it a little bit, not too much. Keep it in the same angles, but not too much. So when it comes right here, this is I'm lefty. This is my top left. I change my hands. I always tell you guys, change your hands. I change it. You know, a little bit of work on the crown. You always gotta show love to your crown. Remember, I'm doing the swirl. So when I come to the swirl, you gotta create a swirl, which means right here is forward, straight forward. See, straight left. If you know how to brush with one hand your whole head, do it. I will not judge you, but if you're a beginner and you're learning, don't do it because you're gonna create a lot of fork. And then you're not gonna like it. Alright, you see so far it's looking good. Alright, so I'm working a little bit of crown. I always do a little crown. Every time you do a section, do crown. Trust me, it's gonna help you out with definition. Right here. See, I go by sections. That's the reason why I like palm brushes, because they small. You know what I'm saying? They precise. Right here, straight down. And push it. Push it. Boom. And I swerved it. And you gotta do this couple of times. Then you change your hand. I'm giving you a breakdown with my swirl. Then you pull it. Always stay away from your crown. Go around your crown. Don't go in your crown. Go around your crown. That's the trick. I see a lot of people going inside the crown. It's not inside. It's outside. You're going around your crown. Okay? That's the reason why you guys get that line. You go around your crown. Don't brush your crown. Leave your crown right there. The reason why I get that little bald spot, because I got a medium hair. So my hair, it gets really thin, so. Forward, then you swirl it. And you keep repeating the same. All over, always. Show love a little in the back, always. Because you want definition in all your angles. That's the main key, one definition, all angles. You just don't want one side looking good and then the other side's looking terrible. Swirl it. Boom, that's top left, right here. I'm going straight to the middle. Boom, then top right. I'm breaking it down. Alright. Then come over here. Grab it with the tip of the brush. You see it? I'm not overlapping. I'm just focusing. I'm going by section. Straight down. Curve it. You see, I'm not going in my crown. I'm going around the crown. It might look like, but I'm not. Left. 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 And then swirl it. Then with the same hand. Focus on the out. Crown's another thing. The pattern's another one. Boom. That's the way I work on my swirl. You guys want to try, if you want to get a 360 swirl, you could do it. Don't overlap your angles because that's how you get a fork. Go in section. The reason why I'm doing it fast is I already studied my angles, so I know. Overlapping is when you brushing one way in a pattern that you already brushed another way. Okay, that's overlapping. Alright. You see how I'm brushing this side? In front of my ear, right here in front of my ear. Then on top of my ear. Straight from the crown down, right? And then behind my ear. You see? It's different. Different angles. That's what you gotta do. You could change hands too. Right here, swirling, straight forward. Top forward, then top left, top right. And you create in a swirl. You see? Little by little. I got a meeting here, I gotta let my hair grow a little bit more. So I could get more hair so I could play with it. I've only been wolfing for 4 weeks. I need at least 6 weeks so I could have enough hair. When you wanna play with your swirl or your crown, you gotta let your hair grow more in your crown. So tell your barber to always cut it. If you cut your hair with a 1.5, tell them to give you 2. And just go 1.5 around, but leave your hair always puffy. So it don't happen like it's happening to me right now. You see, I don't got enough hair to play with it, but I'm trying. Always go around your crown. Don't go in your crown. Leave that dot alone. Go around it. You know? Go around the crown. Boom. Alright. This is a wolfing tip for those who's wolfing. And this is how you maintain your wolfing. Keep your hair laid down. A little bit of pomade, not too much. A little bit of oil to give it shine. And brushing. The main key is this. brushing. This is why you get your waves. The rest of the products, you just extra, you know what I'm saying? Just to make it look good, but this is the main key. Focus on this. And your angles, whatever you want to choose, 180, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Just focus on and go in. You know the vibes already. It's your boy, Wavy 6. I'm out of here. Peace and love.